channel. My name is Aliyah Nicole, if you didn't already know. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that we can be what? So that we can be friends. So today, I'm doing something a little crazy, you know what I mean? I'm making a chimney. Yes, like a dead ass of making a chimney. A lot of people look at me a little off when I say that. Yes, I'm trying to make a chimney for my room for the holidays. But hopefully it can last like throughout the holidays. So I'm making this chimney out of cardboard. I want it to be like a TV stand type of situation, so I can put my TV on top of that bad boy. But I also want to hang, like, you know, some Christmas stockings and some decorations, some tinsel or something, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna look so cute. And I got some, oh my goodness, I got some wallpaper. Hopefully it looks as cute as it do in my head, because it's gonna be, oh my goodness. I know y'all don't want to miss this. I know y'all curious, like, how is this girl about to make a chimney out of cardboard? Listen, I got you. You know what you gotta do? You know what you gotta do? Keep watching. And go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe here, girl. Snap. I'm sorry, I'm on here looking like a little boy. Yes, I got the Bradyana's going on right now. Don't judge me, because I'm still cute. I still look cute. The edges, it's the edges for me. We about to do this. We're about to make a chimney. It's gonna go right over here. Yes. Do y'all see the vision? Y'all don't see the vision because y'all don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. I'm gonna insert a picture or something. Y'all gonna see the vision. I'm so excited. But so yes, without further ado, let's get started, because I'm not even sure if y'all can see me anymore at this point in the sun. But this is the skin. Oh, I look so good. Let's get into this. So okay, y'all, ignore my messy that. This is what I have so far. I think I want a little taller, so what I need is 4 more boxes, one right here, 2 in the middle, and then I'm gonna secure everything together, and then I guess I'll start wrapping it with wallpaper and stuff and making it look like a fireplace or something like that. But yeah, this is what I have so far with 6 boxes and a foam board, and it looks kind of really, I'm not gonna lie. But I need to get some more materials, and hopefully my vision comes out. Okay, so this is what I have so far, y'all. I'm leaning all the way back to try to get this for y'all. This is what I have so far. Excuse the mess in the background. I got a lot going on. Okay, so I duct taped everything, the red and the black, the clear. You know, I ran out of clear, so I had to use some red and black. And now I'm about to tackle this middle section because these are two different pillars. But these are some strong boxes. Like, I'm impressed of Walmart. But so yeah, I'm going to attempt to, you know, get some hot glue in there and smush them together. And then, of course, like I did with everything else, go around it a few times with some duct tape. I'm also thinking put little strips of duct tape along the top just to help make it a little more sturdy. And then we're gonna figure out where to put the foam. But yeah, it's looking cute so far. I see the vision. The vision's coming, okay? It's coming to me. Oh, and I got some, what's it called? I have this. I went to Walmart. Instead of using the Dollar Tree one, I got this one because it's marble, and I thought marble was so freaking pretty, and that's granite, which is still pretty, but it ain't as pretty as marble. So it's this adhesive. It's basically like a giant paper on a sticker. Basically, you peel it off and then it sticks to whatever you put it on. And yeah, so yeah, this is what I'm gonna use. This is like $5. Yeah. What's up, y'all? I'm back. So I'm about to attempt to put some wallpaper on the chimney. It's looking so good. But yeah, ooh, this sun bright. My skin looking good. But no, this is the hardest part because I know for a fact contact paper is a mess to deal with. So wish me luck. I'm about to try this. Let's do this so we could be done, because we are almost done. We're so close. But yeah. So this is what my fireplace is looking like right now. I still gotta go through, fix some imperfections, you know. I couldn't get everything perfect. As you can see, I got some air bubbles and stuff, but it still look cute. It look good from a distance. But I'm about to go through and like fill in marble here and like down there. It got real bad on this side. This was the first side I did, so this side is the messiest. Everything else looks fine though. Let's fill that in, fill that strip down there in. Up here I'm putting some foam boards on top of here, and I'm gonna wrap that in wallpaper as well. That should be a lot easier because it should be. Let me not jinx myself, but one roll fits on here pretty good, so it should be easy. So yeah, let's do this.